Hello guys, my name is Balakrishna Srivastava and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video, we write a Python program to check for Armstrong number, which is also called a narcissistic number. And this question is also listed in the list of suggested Python practical programs for CBSE Class 11, Class 12 Computer Science student. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 views, only 2 to 3 are subscribed. More than 95% of my audience is not subscribed, and a subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. Also, I teach coding in Hindi as well on a separate Code with BK Hindi channel. So if you are better comfortable with Hindi, you can check that out as well. And on that channel, I have solved all these programs already in Hindi, and I've already solved and also be solving all these problems in English as well. So make sure that you check the description of this video for the important links. Okay. So we have to write a Python program to check for Armstrong number, and this is a very standard program. So what is an Armstrong number first? Let's understand. So if I have n equal to 153, okay, this has 3 digits. Okay. What we do is we pick out digits separately, give them power equal to number of digits. So 1 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, and sum them. Okay. So this is 1 plus 125 plus 27. Okay. So this is 153 equal to the original number n. Okay. So a number, sum of its own digits raised to the power of the number of digits. Okay. If that sum is equal to the original number n, this is a Armstrong number. Okay. And this is a general case for any n digit Armstrong number. Okay. So if for 4 digits we have a number a, b, c, d. So if we have a to power 4 plus d, b to power 4 plus c to power 4 plus d to power 4 equal to a, b, c, d integer, then it is a Armstrong number as well. Okay. So what we will have to do is first find digits. Okay. So to extract digits from an integer, we can use a while loop or we can use string. Since in Python we have strings, so we are going to use string. So convert, say if I want to find the digits of 153, I convert it into corresponding string. I iterate the string, pick up each character and convert it to an integer. Okay, so I get 153 in 3 different iterations, and then I can plug them into this formula to raise to the power and add it to the sum. Okay, so store the sum. Okay, sum is 0, and this will be an Armstrong number if finally, okay, if return true if sum is equal to the original value n. So return sum double equal to n. Okay, how do we get the digits of integer n? We convert it to string. So I say n str is str of n. Okay, so if n was 153, n str is going to be string containing 153. Okay, then I iterate this string. I say for ch in n str. Okay, I get ch as each character in the string. So Python does not have a separate char type. A character in Python is basically a string that contains a single character. Okay, get the integer value for this char, which is going to be, digit is going to be int of ch. Convert this string back to integer. Okay, find digit to the power num digits. Okay, so we need some way to calculate num digits as well. We can do it here. Okay, number of digits is basically the length of this string. So you can say num digits is length of nstr. Okay, all right. So we say term is digit to the power num digits. Okay, and add term to the sum. So sum plus equal to term. So this is your function to check for Armstrong number. This will return true if n is an Armstrong number, otherwise it will return false. Okay, you can say number of digits, the length of the string. Okay, all right. So I've already written some code to test this. So I enter an integer. If this is Armstrong number, I print Armstrong number. Otherwise I print not an Armstrong. Okay. So testing this code, I'll say Python 3 Armstrong number. I'll say 153 is an Armstrong number. Okay. We can run a loop to find more Armstrong numbers. Okay. Finding all 3-digit Armstrong for I in range. Okay, 3 digits are going to starting from 100 till less than 1000. Okay, I can do the same thing. I'll not print the no cases because those will be a lot. I just print the yes cases. Print f is an Armstrong number. F. Okay, commenting this out. Okay, so we get all Armstrong numbers, all 3-digit Armstrong numbers. So Python 3 370 371 407. So we have 370. So 370, this has 3 digits, 333. So this is 27 plus 343 plus 0, this is 370. This is okay. We have 371 as well. So instead of this we'll get 1. So instead of this also we'll get 1. Instead of this also we'll get 1. We also have 407. So 407 333 because this has 3 digits. 4 4 16, 16 4 64 plus 0 plus 343 704. Okay, so this is your Python program to check for Armstrong number. So this was the solution to this problem, and I hope this was helpful. So if there is a doubt, there is a part you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all the comments, and you can also let me in the comments if there's a question you want to solve or the concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.